Assalamu alaikum. This is your favorite icon system, vegetable gardening. I'm here with the second part of coriander, which is also called dhania. Look at those. Once they germinate, how beautifully they're coming out, and soon there'll be plenty of dhania for me to enjoy it, and it's beautiful. So this is the second part of my vegetable gardening, and look at these. I made this bird cage as my greenhouse, and you can see there's a eggplant that I bought from Lowe's, but the rest of those plants I planted those seeds, and there are different kinds of peas, and there are some squash and kakuza, very delicious vegetables, and they're coming out so good. And there are few factors that need to be considered when you plant. The first factor is location. Consider location, at least 6+ hours of sun. And then second factor is your soil. You have to know what's the pH level of your soil, how much acidity you have in your soil, and you mix potting soil with the moss soil. Peat moss is ideal for any gardening. Look at these. These are salad. They're coming out also. They germinate. And in this part we have, this one is I think this one is also one of the what do you call, I think it's same. And there another one right there. So this year I'm being very organized, and also planning is everything. The basic rule of vegetable gardening is planning. If you plan everything ahead of time, you will always be a successful gardener. And this part, as you can see, all these mints are coming out, and then I will tell you more about it. Thanks for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. Any comments will be appreciated. Thank you. Bye bye.